Yo, what is up, YouTube? How's it going? Hope everyone's having a good day. Guess what? I'm finally gonna install some headlights on the OBS, but I've actually had these headlights for 2 weeks now. I just haven't had the motivation to really work on the truck. There's been a lot going on at home, and I have a 7-month-old son. Well, I don't know. It's just the whole making the video thing is what kind of makes me not do it. Because it's not making videos isn't as easy as it seems. There's a lot to it. But anyways, I'm gonna finally be installing those headlights today. They're sitting in a box right here. Let's take a look at those. Here it is. I already opened it up, but everything's still in the bubble wrapping. So let me pull one out so you can see it. Get this wrap off. Alright, there we go. There it is. These are the black housing headlights, as you can see. Non-LED or anything, just regular bulbs. They look really nice to me. I really like them. And then they also came with these little corner lights. Let's see if I can pull them out. There it is. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use these or if I'm just going to use the stock orange ones that are on the truck still. But I might just try them out just to see what they look like. The reason why I went with these black housing headlights is because I think it might make the front of the truck look a little more meaner. You know, because right now it just looks, they're like kind of yellowed out. I tried cleaning the stock ones once, but they only lasted like a week, and then they went kind of yellow haziness again. But yeah, these are super clean. The lenses are freaking hella clean. Look at that. I don't know, man. I think it might make the truck look nice, but this is kind of like an experimental thing. If they don't look good, I'll end up just getting some OEM replacement headlights. Basically what that means is headlights that look exactly like the stock ones that are already on there, but they'll be brand new and, you know, crystal clear and all that. But if these look good, then screw it, we'll rock these on the OBS. Oh, and real quick, what do you guys think about this OBS shirt? I think it's raw. Let me show you a clip of what the back looks like. Yeah, if you like the shirt, I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick yours up too. Let's get this garage open. So this is how the stock ones look. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but they're slightly yellowish. Yeah, I just really want to see how these black housing ones look on there. So these headlights will come with bulbs. You don't have to worry about that. But I have these spare headlights from other projects that I've done. These have just been sitting around. I think I'm going to try them out in here and see how they do. This one's a blue one, so that way it'll be like a bright white. And then these are like it's got like a little rainbow finish on it. See how those look. So it looks like we just got 4 bolts. Alright, so it looks like we're finally ready to put the new ones in. Everything's out of the way. All we gotta do is bolt up the new ones. I don't think I'm gonna use these HIDs anymore because I don't like the way they've been performing. They're like a hit and miss. Sometimes I'll turn the truck on and both will work, and then sometimes it'll only be one working. And yeah, I just don't like how they work. So I'm just gonna go back to regular bulbs for now until I can get some LED bulbs. Alright, so that's how it pretty much came out. I think it looks really good. I like it. Kind of makes it look a little meaner. I ended up leaving the corner lights on because these ones, I don't know if these are for a different year truck or something, but they don't seem to work for me. I'll show you what I mean. Look how much smaller they are than the stock ones. Like, look at the top and the bottom. So there'd be a huge gap if I was to put this on, like a big old gap right here and right here. So I don't know why these are so small. I checked all 4 of them, they're all small. So I wanted to use them, but oh well, we'll just leave them off for now. I'm just gonna leave these ones on since they actually fit because they're the OEM ones. But let's pull the truck out and then get a better shot of it. That's pretty much how the headlights ended up looking on the truck. Leave a comment, let me know if you think they look good or not. Oh, real quick, one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Has anyone seen this yet? I was in Walmart the other day and I was walking through the aisle and then just a big ass OBS caught my eye and I was like, what the hell? I didn't know that they made these, but I think it's new because it used to say, there used to be C10 Builder's Guide, but now it's OBS Builder's Guide. I don't know if it's just a one-time thing or if they're going to keep making them every month. But if I had to guess, it seems like it's like a one-time thing. I don't know, but it's really cool. There's a lot of good information in here as far as like aftermarket parts go, like where you can get them and stuff. But yeah, check it out if you guys can find one. Alright, cool. Well, that's the end of this video. I'll signing out.